welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews, brought to you by hollywoodfrodo.com. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about one of my newest gadgets that I got. This is a very inexpensive tripod by a company called Kingjoy. Of course, I got this off of Amazon. I was looking for just an extra tripod to use sometimes for lighting or different things, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I was looking for something that was fairly cheap, but you know, you still want it to be a quality product and have all the features that you want and work well. And I found this one from Kingjoy. It had a lot of good reviews. I thought, hey, I'm gonna pick this up myself and try it out, and I love it. I think it works really well. Let's talk about the different features that it has. It does have these extendable legs, which extend by just snapping and extending. Very easy, and it's got 3 levels of that. You also have these auto leveling feet, so they're on balls, and when you put it down, it immediately goes flat to level itself out, regardless of the angle of the foot. You have this center rod, and you loosen this thing in the center in order to adjust the legs to be further out or further in. That's great because you can use that further out. Gives you a little bit more stability, but if you need it to fit into a smaller space, and or you need to go a little bit taller, then going up allows you to get it into narrower spaces. So you can see right now it's very narrow, so I could still extend these legs all the way out to make this tall, but have it very narrow so it doesn't take up a lot of space. And I really love that feature. I love having that ability. You do have the hook on the bottom here in case you need to either hang, sometimes people will hang a camera from down here in order to shoot something, but you also mainly use this if you need to weigh your tripod down in order to, again, add stability to it. Up top you've got all the features that you would expect. You have an extendable top. This can go up, and you have a little crank that you use to extend it up. But first you have to loosen it with the knob, so when you get to where you want it, you tighten this knob to hold it in place. It stays in place very well. You have the handle, which you can use to raise or lower, and you tighten that, so depending on how loose you want it to be or how tight you want it to be, it makes it go a little bit smoother. And then if you want it to stay in place, you tighten it all the way, and then it doesn't move at all. Very easy to use and works very well. Great on that. You have this knob over here that you loosen or tighten, which allows you to turn this left or right. So right now it's tight, so it won't turn. I loosen it up, and then you can turn left or right. So again, works great. Up top you've got this knob which you tighten or loosen. It allows you to bend this all the way sideways, so if you needed to shoot sideways you could do that without any problem at all. On the top you've got your mount that easily comes out just by pulling this out and drop it back in, and then it's locked in, stays in place well. It does have a nice thin rubber pad on the top to help hold the camera or light or whatever you attach to it secure. Has your standard threads, everything that you would expect on a good tripod. This has it all. It also has, on the one side here, it has this nice foam grip, so as you're carrying this around, you can carry it by that grip, which is great. And again, just a really excellent product. It does also have a little level here, so that can help if you're just trying to make sure that this is level. Then you've got a little level to guide to go by to help you with that. Again, it's a very inexpensive tripod. It only is going to cost you, it's about $30, $30 to $35. A lot of times they have a little bit of a coupon code that'll take a little bit off to get it closer to $30. But that's hardly anything. And for a good tripod, again, there are tripods that are a lot more expensive, a lot more advanced, but this one does everything you really need a tripod to do, and it does it well, and it does it inexpensively, and that's what I was looking for, and this has worked great. It's a great product, and I'm really enjoying it, enjoying using it, and something I would recommend if you're looking for something that is less expensive, but something that works well as a tripod, and that'll do all the things that you would generally need to do. Then this is going to cover you. Again, it is by Kingjoy. and it is available on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below. You can click that link, you can jump over to Amazon, you can read what other people have said about it, and you can pick one up for yourself. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product or who could use it, then feel free to share this video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, maybe something I didn't cover, then post it in the comments section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so have a great day.